SheetMaster 2.0 is a one-stop shop for pitching, driving and extracting sheet piles.
SheetMaster 2 has been developed as a result of listening to customer feedback and concerns about the use of existing lifting devices for trench sheets.
So the benefits of having SheetMaster 2.0, firstly, it reduces the amount of lifting accessories you have on site. It's one piece of equipment with built-in chains, the driving plate and driving cap attached to it, and the extractor plus quick release on there. SheetMaster 2.0 makes things safer on site because there's a lot less contact with people around the equipment. So when we are pitching sheet piles themselves, the only time someone needs to be there is to steady it while the machine comes down and rests the driving plate or the head of the machine on the top, which then allows people then to move away. We don't have to take something off to then put something back on to then drive. So it makes it a lot safer, a lot less contact time.
While you're using existing systems of sheet piles, you could be looking for up to possibly 4 people within an exclusion zone. The person who would actually pitch the sheet. Then if you're going to work at height, there's a possibility that you could need another 2 people, and then you've got a possible 4th person who's there required to control the machine and will be banking the machine. The new system, you're probably looking at max at any one time 1 to 2 people within the exclusion zone of the excavator.
The product itself has been trialled by a number of our clients. Their operatives really liked it, they're enthused by it. They think it's an easy thing to do. It saves a lot of time and a lot of time away from the danger zones around a machine. So they're very, very happy with how it works.
In terms of our business, the benefit is that people-plant interface, keeping guys safe, ease of use, and the ability to have one piece of equipment that does it all. Typically, that's the dream for every contractor the world over.
When using SheetMaster 2, it's adaptable to a lot of different style of trench sheets as well. So where the holes are drilled within the sheet pile, it's got a movable head. So it doesn't have to be a fixed place, so we can move that to fit and suit where the holes are drilled.
A lot of the work that Murphy does is below ground excavations, sheeted pits, manholes, etc. So the range of sheets that we would be using would be suitable for this. It would be a good tool to have on site, and once a lot of the operatives get used to using this bit of kit, it would be second nature and would increase a lot of efficiency, I think, on site and productivity.
This SheetMaster 2.0 is 100% about safety on site. It physically cannot drop that sheet pile or the trench sheet when it's being held in the pitching position. You've now got the ratchet that stops that accidental drop, whereas with the old QRS, you would have the bit of rope that dangles down that has the chance of being pulled whilst the excavator is being tracked, and that could have an accidental release on the sheet.
I like how the chains with the SheetMaster do allow the plant operative to be able to tap them a little bit. You're not just relying on the weight of the machine to push the sheet down.
So there's no additional training required for the operator. It's the same as attaching a quick release shackle or a bow shackle, which you'd do in any case if you was doing any kind of lifting. The new SheetMaster 2.0 is a lot lighter, a lot more flexible. You're just using the one item of equipment.
The SheetMaster 2.0 has been developed in collaboration with Groundforce's partners, and there's demonstrations, new pieces of innovation and equipment help both parties and our customers themselves, so the major networks. It's only through collaboration we're going to be able to improve the sector, improve safety, and get that last 1% in safety that we're all pushing towards, and just make sure everybody goes home every day